easy this. Please begin our meditation practice. Please find a comfortable posture. Sit comfortably. Keep your back straight as much as you can. Gently close eyes. Gently bring your attention to your body. Now take a few long breaths and relax your whole body. Relax your muscles, your head, shoulders, your left arm, right arm, also your chest. Up of the left leg, low of the left leg, up of the right leg, low of the right leg. Relax your whole body, relax your mind, relax, relax, relax. Let's practice loving kindness meditation. Say to yourself, bless to yourself, wish to yourself, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. Understand the meaning of each word deeply and clearly. Repeat them to yourself. May I be free from suffering, illness, fear, anxiety, anger, worry, and difficulties. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your family, your friends, parents, husband or wife, children, brothers or sisters, your girlfriend, boyfriend or best friend, also your neighbors, your co-workers. Bless to them. May my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. And also, you can include your difficult people, annoying people in your life. No need to make any angry thoughts about them. Just send loving kindness. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my family be free from suffering, illness, fear, anxiety, anger, worrying difficulties. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be peaceful. Don't separate the people, black, white, Hindu, Muslim, Christian or Buddhist. Just think we all are human. We all are in very large family. Blessed to them. May all human beings and also non-human beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now slowly turn your attention to your breath. Now we are going to practice breathing meditation. We are going to understand the meaning of our breath. It is so important. All the time we are breathing, but we are not focusing our breath. Now we all are going to explore our breath. Just take few breaths and understand your breathing process. Mindfully observe each breath. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. Just simply understand there are four types of breaths. Deep breaths, in and out, short breaths, in and out. When you get long breaths, understand I'm getting long breaths. When you get short breaths, understand I'm getting short breaths. No need to control your breathing. Center your attention to the tip of your breath, nose. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. Breathe in, breathe out. You can change your posture anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. There are so many thoughts, sensations come to your mind. Let them come and go. Where is your mind? Return your thoughts to the breath. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Breathe in. Breathe out. Understand, we cannot breathe past breath. We cannot breathe future breath. We just have to breathe present breath. It means we have to live with the present moment. This is the first message we can get from our breathing meditation. Second one is when you breathe in, it means rising. When you are breathe out, it means disappearing. Everything in the world arise and disappear. Even though our thoughts all the times come and go, our feelings come and go, our happiness come and go, our sadness come and go, our pain comes and go. Understand about yourself. That is the most important thing in this practice. There are so many disturbances come to our life without noticing us. Be brave, face that all the disturbances, difficulties with mindfully. Same time understand that all the disturbances, difficulties teach you something else. How to be strong, how to be brave, how to face difficulties, how to be mindful. Those are the things we learn from our disturbances, also difficulties. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Just think how important it is to practice this meditation every day. Now please bring your hands together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 2 minutes. May peace be with you. May all living beings be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you very much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening, everyone. So, how are you today? So, thank you so much for being here. Today, I would like to share a very small message with you. First of all, I have a question for you. I don't need answer, and please ask this question to yourself. Okay? Why are you here? Why do you want to practice meditation? Sometimes you may say, I need my happiness, I need my balance, I need my joy. There are so many answers you have. It means something you need to achieve from your meditation. That's why you are here. Right? Something you need to achieve from your meditation practice, that's why you are here. What is the exactly meditation is? One day a person came to Buddha. He asked Buddha, what did you gain, achieve from your practice? Then Buddha said, nothing. But I lost so many things. I lost my anger. I lost my ego. I lost my delusion, hatred. Now, but we are here to achieve something, not lose something. If we think I want to achieve something from my meditation, it means we already achieved what? Attachments. That achieve words have another meaning. That meaning is attachment. I want it. Okay, but we cannot achieve anything in our life. Then what happens next? We are disappointed about our practice. We are exhausted about our practice. Then we will give up. Is that practice? Is that meditation? No. When you are sitting on the cushion or chair for your practice, just think, today I am going to lose something in my life. It will be anger, delusion, hatred, something negative. Don't think I want to achieve something. If you think I am going to lose something, another meaning it has. The meaning is what? Losing. Same time you understand about everything is changing, not permanence, impermanence. It means you are practicing impermanence. If something impermanence, if you understand about it, then you will give up. Right? You practice something beautiful in your mind. We are always thinking these all the material things and everything, our family, our house, car, everything permanence. That's why we are attached. We don't like to change it. We need that kind of things for survive our life. But same time we have to understand everything impermanence. Someday, one day it going to be changing. Nobody can, change. Nobody can change it. One day Buddha visited to Bhante Rahula's room. Bhante Rahula, he was Buddha's son. At that time, Bhante Rahula was 7 years old, very little kid. But Buddha visited to him and asked, Rahula, what is the purpose of mirror? What is the meaning of mirror? Then Rahula said, it reflections. Okay, tell me, what is the meaning of your mind? He didn't have any answer. Buddha said, same thing. It is reflecting your, behavior, characteristic. And now think what we generate in our mind, that all the intention, ideas come out through our speech and action. When you are getting angry with someone, then that anger come through your speech. Maybe you will, blame, or you will use unwise, stinky words. If don't enough, sometimes you will fight, you will argue. Now think, is that our practice? No. When you sit on the cushion for your practice, just think, today I am going to lose something, not gain something. Then you will, find your peace, what you wish from your practice. Automatically you can go there. Many of us have this problem. Before our practice, we are creating some kind of attachment. I need get some benefit from my practice. If you sit with that benefit, with that idea on the cushion, never ever you can get it for your life. Today I want to tell you, be mindful about your practice. When you sit on the cushion for your meditation, don't think, I want to achieve something, I want to lose something. Then your practice will be wonderful. Okay? Okay, please keep this idea, little message in your mind. It will help you. Okay, now monks are going to chant, all of you. May all power of blessing be with you, and may you be well, happy and peaceful. May not harm come to you. May not dangers come to you. May not difficulties come to you. May you be strong and healthy. Just listen this chant and concentrate your mind. Thank you. නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතු සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස ඉතිපිසෝ භගවාරහං සම්මා සම්බුද්දෝ විඤ්ඤාචරණ සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදු අනුන්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සන්තා දේව මනුස්සානං බුද්ධෝ භගති ස්වාක්ඛාතෝ භගවතා ධම්මෝ සම්දින්තිකෝ අකාලිකෝ හේහි ඕපනයිකෝ පංචන්තං වේදිතම්බෝ විඤ්ඤෝ ඉති සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක උජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක යදිදං චන්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අන්ට පුරිස පුංගලායේස භගවතෝ ශාවක ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දංකිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණේයෝ අනුන්තරං පුඤ්ඤං කෙන්තං ලෝකං සාති ඒතේන සච්ච දුක්ඛාඋපසමින්තු තේන සච්ච වංජේන භයාඋපසමින්තු තේ ඒතේන සච්ච වංජේන රෝගාඋපසමින්තු තේ තන්නං කරෝ මහාවීරෝ මේදං කරෝ මහායසු සරණං කරෝ ලෝකයිතු දීපං කරෝ ජුතින්දරෝ කොණ්ඩඤ්ඤෝ ජන මංගලෝ පුරිසාසබෝ සුමනෝ සුමනෝ දීරෝ රේවතෝ රතිවණ්ඩනෝ සෝබිතෝ ගුණ අනෝමදස්සී ජනුන්තමෝ පදුමෝ ලෝක පංචෝතෝ නාරදෝ වරසාරති පදුමුන්තරෝ සත්ව සුමේදෝ අංග පුංගලෝ සුජාතෝ සම්බලෝකංගෝ පියදස්සී අන්තදංසේ කාරුණිකෝ ධම්මදස්සී තමෝනුදෝ සිද්දන්තෝ අසමෝලෝකේ තිස්සෝ වරද පුංසෝ වරද සම්බුද්ධෝ විපස්සීච අනුපමෝ සිකී සම්බයිතෝ සන්තා වෙන්ස භූසුකදායකෝ කකුසන්දෝ සත්ව Konagamanuranañjavo kansapo siri sampanno gotamo sakya te sancena silena kanti menta balena te twang anurankantu arogena sukena chati sambitiyo vivajjantu Sambarogo vinansato mate bhavantvantarayu sukiti gayu Bhavatu sabba mangalang rangkantu sabba devata sabba buddhanubhavena sada sutti Bhavatu sabba mangalang rangkantu sabba devata sabba dhammanubhavena sada sutti Bhavatu sabba mangalang rangkantu sabba devata sabba sanghanubhavena sada sunti bhavantu te nankantayakka bhutanang papanga Parintang sanubhavena antu te sannupandave akasattaca bummatta deva Mahindika punyang tang anumodintva ciran rangkantu Akasantaca bummanta devanaga mahindika punyang tang anumodintva ciran rangkantu desanang akasantaca bummanta devanaga mahindika punyang tang anumodintva ciran rangkantu tvang sadati. May you be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you very much. Slowly open your eyes. Have a wonderful night. Thank you.